Industrial automation integrates sensors, internet interfaces, data analysis, HMI and information technology throughout the entire industrial chain to build flexible smart factories and improve production efficiency. Machine vision inspection systems use CCD cameras to convert the detected target into image analog signals, which are converted by dedicated imaging processor systems into digital signals, whose pixel distribution, color and brightness information are used to implement automatic identification functions. Robotic arms are the most widely used automated mechanical device in robotics. They use KMDA as core control units, equipped with advanced PLC to control servo motors to receive instructions and accurately locate a point in the three-dimensional space. AGV motion controller ensures AGV motion control, wireless communication, task management, data storage and forwarding and other functions. Compared to standard automation, implementing time-sensitive networking and time-coordinated computing enables a seamless equipment connection. The CNC Machining Center uses JHC series products as the monitoring core system, supplemented by multi-axis motion control cards for precise control of servo motors, and performs HMI control to complete tasks through ALAD products.